For today's snack, I made you bugs.
Snack School.
Hi, I'm James. Today at Snack School, I'm going to surprise my girls with Simba's chicken grub, inspired by the Lion King. Simba is the son of Mufasa and next in line to become king of the Pride Lands. When tragedy strikes, Simba is filled with tears and guilt, causing him to run far, far away. To survive, he has to live off slimy, yet satisfying grub. Now I'm going to show you how to rustle up some grub. To make a ladybug, use a thin slice of cucumber for the base. Add a small amount of almond butter to the top of your cucumber. Add a thin slice of chicken on top of the almond butter. I used a rotisserie chicken to save time, but you can use any protein you like. Add a little more almond butter on top of the chicken. Then lay one fresh basil leaf on top. For the wings, use a cherry tomato that is cut in half. To make it look like wings, I like to cut it into quarters without cutting all the way through the skin. For the spots, place black sesame seeds on the tomato. Add a tiny bit more almond butter before placing the head. For the head, use an olive that is cut into quarters. For the antenna, insert 2 sliced chives into the olive. Repeat this process to make additional ladybugs. To make a grub, slice a 3-inch piece of celery for the base. Spread almond butter to fill the middle. For the head, use a cherry tomato that's cut into quarters and has enough skin to hold it together. For the body, use 2 olives that have been cut to length. For the antenna, insert 2 sliced chives into the tomato. Repeat this process to make additional grubs. Now I'm ready to serve up some bugs to my little grubs. Let's show my girls.
Hi, I'm Vivi. Hi, I'm Scarlett. Welcome to Snack School.
What do you think of Simba from The Lion King?
Good, I like Simba. Good.
When Simba ran away, what did he eat to survive?
Bugs. I never eat bugs before.
If you were really, really hungry, would you eat bugs?
No. I'll drink water every day so I would stay hydrated.
But you wouldn't eat bugs?
No. Firebugs could put fire in my mouth. And we're not going to eat bugs because they're squirty and yucky and pokey. Pokey.
For today's snack, I made you bugs.
Show it to us!
Here's Simba's chicken grub.
Down. It's a ladybug.
Can you pick up the ladybug and eat it?
No, it's a cute ladybug. Okay, I'll take this leaf. I hope I don't hurt the ladybug. Okay, there we go. I got the ladybug free. Don't eat her, guys. It's my pet ladybug. No, that's... Oh, good. It tastes like chicken. My favorite, cucumber. I love cucumber. It tastes so good. It's not almond butter, it's bug blood.
Ew.
You ate bug blood. But... What? Bug butt? Hi, Snacks. You'll see my cute little ladybug. He's cute. Yes. Subscribe. Don't forget